brand expert lash artist and coach. Welcome to my channel. I have opened up my calendar to start back doing lash trainings, and I am preparing to do a training in just 2 weeks with a really nice lady who found me on YouTube, connected with me on Instagram, and she's ready to start her lash journey. Christy, if you're watching this, shout out to you, and as I've already told you, I cannot wait to work with you. So I am on my way right now to the lash store, my favorite lash vendor, the Lash Supply, to pick up her lashes, adhesive, and I think I may get her caboodle, which is basically a little carrying case for all of the supplies she'll receive from the Lash Supply as well, but we'll see what their price is looking like on them caboodles. I'm gonna take y'all along with me through this process as I'm ordering her stuff, as it's coming in, and I'm putting the kit together, as well as a little peek into our training process. So before we get all the way into this video, if you have not, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the support by you just simply hitting that little red button. If you like the video, of course, be sure to like the video. And if you have any questions, any comments about anything that I'm purchasing for the lash kit, just let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so that you're aware every time I make a new video. So like I said, I'm headed to the lash store right now to pick up her lashes, her adhesive, everything else. Either I already have it because I just had an abundance of supply. It'll come from Amazon, or it will come from livebay.com. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we made it to the Lash Supply, and I never take y'all in here with me. I always forget or get too busy, but y'all get to see what's happening this time. Okay, so for her training kit, I'm getting her classic and volume lashes, both C and D curls. So she'll get mixed trays, C and D of classic and volume. So as you may or may not know, volume lashes, or all lashes, come in different lash weights. I use the 0.05, so that's what my girl is gonna get. They still don't have no 14s, break my heart. Okay. Okay, so they don't have my cute packaging. These just fan so much better than the regular ones, but I used to use the regular ones, and they're gonna get the job done. Okay, still great quality, but not my top pick. So we got volume, 0.05 C and D mix, and then with the classics, they come in different weights as well, but I use 0.15 because I don't want nothing too heavy. So she's gonna get classic C and D mixed trays of the 0.15, and I don't see mixed trays for those. Do you have the classic mixed trays? No. They didn't have none of what I needed, y'all. They had one tray that I needed. They didn't have the adhesive. There's another store here locally. I don't know if I'm about to go and do that hike of a drive today, but I'll keep y'all posted. Cause she needs the best of the best, and I ain't settling for nothing else. Okay, so we did venture to the other lash store on the complete opposite side of town, and I called before I came to check their inventory stock, and they have everything but one of the lash trays that I need. So that'll work for me. I can go back to the other store when they restock, because like I said, I have about 2 weeks into this training, so I'm about to get the C and D volume trays and the D curl volume tray for her lash kit and the adhesive. Y'all, I am so excited. I found her way more than what I was planning to get out of here. So a lot of what I thought I would have to order, they had in stock at the store. So I'll take y'all through this stuff when the other items that I actually do have to order come in. So guys, I have made it back home. I'm so excited because I found almost everything in the store. It's just some stuff I don't play with, like my tweezers and all of that. So I was gonna make this just one video, but I want y'all to be able to see and keep up with the process as it unfolds. So I'm gonna do like a part 1, part 2, and then I'll show a piece of her actual lash training. I'll do a video for that. So the next training will be putting the kit together with me. You guys will be able to actually see what all was purchased for the kit, what all goes into it, and all that good fun stuff. So thank y'all for coming with me today on my journey to get this lash training process started for Miss Christy. I'm super excited, y'all. My heart is beating so fast because I'm so very excited. So yeah, stay tuned with me and I will see y'all in the next one.